Maharashtra government now telling the Supreme Court that it is ready to hand over the Palghar Lynching investigation to the CBI if the court orders to do so. Maharashtra government says no objection in handing over the Palghar investigation to the CBI. An affidavit filed by the Maharashtra government before the Supreme Court, a hearing yet to take place on this Palghar Lynching case. The state of Maharashtra has filed an affidavit before the Supreme Court. The state says the petition has sought transfer of investigation to the CBI, saying that it is imperative for achieving an impartial and independent investigation in this matter. The state of Maharashtra says it is ready and willing to hand over the investigation to the CBI and would have no objection on the same. Let me cut across to Shrishti Ojha joining us live for more on this. Shrishti, a quick word. Maharashtra government says to the Supreme Court, no objection in handing over the Palghar investigation, Palghar lynching case, the investigation to the CBI, if the court orders to do so. Give us on what context has the government spoken?
Well, as we know, as far as the Palghar lynching case is concerned, a batch of pleas have been pending before the Supreme Court seeking CBI and NI investigation, saying that impartial investigation would not be possible unless and until a CBI investigation is ordered in the present matter. The court has been considering the issue for the past 2 years, and various submissions have also been made in the past by the state of Maharashtra. But an important development has come today because the state has in fact agreed with the relief that is being sought by the petitioner, where they sought a transfer of investigation to the CBI because according to them, it's important for achieving an impartial and independent probe into the lynching case. The state of Maharashtra in its affidavit has now submitted that it's ready and willing to hand over the investigation to CBI. This affidavit has been filed before the Supreme Court, and a Supreme Court bench headed by Justice Gadchinchle is in fact scheduled to hear the case today. It's also an interesting development because there has been a change of stand that we have seen as far as the government of Maharashtra is concerned. The Eknath Shinde-led government stand is different from what the stand was taken by the state of Maharashtra last year when the matter was heard before the court, where the state had opined and observed that the state had said that the state CID was investigating the case itself and it was competent enough to have an impartial investigation.
Right. Shrishti, thank you very much for joining us. Now, Maharashtra government now says ready for Palghar investigation to be handed over to the CBI. Let's see how this case progresses now.
I don't read the news. I read between the lines to tell you the true version of events, the true story of our times.
To document grief, the toughest assignment for any journalist to be.
From those who matter.
Women politicians going to stick up for each other.
Of those who should matter. I document the truth. I don't distort the truth. I don't glamorize the truth. I don't gloss over the truth.
The ghosts of India's contentious medieval history have come knocking again.
I hustle for the truth. On the ground, in the newsroom, in the studio. I don't try to grab eyeballs.
I inform you to make you see the point.
To the Point with Preeti Chaudhary. At these times, only on India Today.